right, my loves, we had time today. Come on and get in on this unit from Nadula Hair. All right, my loves, I'm super excited to get on into this Nadula Hair 7x5 by Knots Burmese curly wig. The cap construction is simple. It's a 7x5 lace closure with the latex in the back for you to put on up on your head and one comb, okay? They did give us some goodies, which we absolutely love. This unit at 24 inches is currently going for $237. Now, I'm going to go on through with my It's Giving Laid and Slayed spray and get this unit together. Now, this Burmese curly wig is really, really beautiful and different because it has these spiral ends, okay? Now, this unit can be worn a number of ways, but first I'm going to give you the look down. And as you can see the spiral ends. Look at how thick and beautiful this unit is, okay, through. She took no time kind of getting her together and get into what the curl pattern really is. Now, this is her combed out a bit more, okay? I took my time and kind of like played in her. She went swimming. She went to dinner. She celebrated her birthday. She was flipped and thrown and did all the things. You picking up what I'm putting down? Okay, she had a baby. All right. Now, this unit, again, at 7x5 is 150% density. Now, I want to go through and give you guys another look. But why? Because I think y'all deserve it. Now, I'm going on through and sectioning off this hair to show you how versatile a 7x5 lace closure can actually be, okay? So we're just going to do a braid to the side, okay, laid to the side, and get her together. Now, this is super easy. I just use large clips to kind of get the rest of the hair out the way, and I'm just doing a full-on plait down the front of the unit, okay? Once we do that, we're going to go on through and make sure that this lace is really blended in so I can give you guys a really good idea of what she looks like. I'm going through with my spray bottle as well as my mousse, okay? My Lotta Body mousse, and making sure that those curls are defined. Now, this is a wavy pattern. Although the curls are thick, it does feel like it is relatively wavy, which I kind of like, okay? So she's not giving coiled curls, okay? Only at the end do you get the coil, and I kind of love that for us. So I'm going on through and just making sure we get this all hydrated so you guys can see just how beautiful the actual curl throughout the scalp of the head all the way to the ends really looks. Look at those hydrated curls, okay? She is giving. Now, I'm going to go on through and take this band off. Now, look at my hair, child. Oh, my goodness. Don't even get into it. I had this thing tied, so made me tap my heart down. I could feel my brain pulsating through my mean and tap skull, honey. But that's what we needed for the plot. I'm going on through with my spritz just to make sure that this is a very seamless install. I really did enjoy this unit. The curls are beautiful. The wave is beautiful. It really is a nice curl pattern, and it was super easy to get together. I'm going to give you guys my absolute final thoughts on the other side. I'll see you there. Really, really, really beautiful, if I'm being honest. Like, I have her like relatively glueless. All right, I'm back. And I am here with this unit from Nadula Hair. Now, I did take my time and get her together, okay? Because I really, y'all know I love a curly wig. They done beat me over the head with these Mimi Tim curly wigs, child. I have to love them now. I really am into this unit. So this unit in particular is a bit different because it comes with like the tendrils at the bottom. So it gives you that nice spiral look at the bottom. As you can see here, she did shed. She didn't tangle much. I did love the texture of the hair. If I had to rate the texture of the hair, I would give the texture of the hair like an 8.5, like really, really soft and nice. It's obviously, you know, there's certain things that would make it a 10, let's be clear. But I think for the price point, you just got to be like realistic. You know what I mean? Like, I think Nadula is a reputable hair company specifically for the price point because it's still really relatively affordable. I take a look at these other wig companies and the prices that they have. I'm just like, who's paying for that? Who's paying for that? The lace on this unit is really, really beautiful. Let me just zoom up on it. Okay, y'all see my line from the band? I had this band tied down so hard, and I was like, I could wait. But this is realistic. This is what happens, okay? I had to fold it under a bit because I was trying to beat my face and do all the things at once. And that's what happens. You get this kind of roly-poly mystic situation up in here, okay? You get the line across your forehead. Now, I really am into this. I think that it looks super natural. She was super easy to get together. I did use my water bottle that I got from my Amazon shop. That's also linked with my Lot of Body hair and my super hold spritz, just to make sure I get everything together. You picking up what I'm putting down? I'm into this. Into it. I really, really, really like this. I love the way that I look. I feel very feminine. I even like this color on me. Like, oh my God, like, who am I? But we back, okay? We done dropped this baby. We got to throw these wigs up on our Mammy Tatman heads. I want to know how you guys feel about this unit. What do you think? It's really nice. Look how thick it is. It's beautiful. Like, really nice. And the way that it's able to be this versatile as you know, with this kind of cap construction is really impressive. It's really impressive. I don't have nothing else to say. I done gave y'all everything. Nadula hair is not playing with me, you, them, her, okay? She's bold, she's black, she's beautiful. She, me, her is Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for watching me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.